In this video I will show you how to use the 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. So basically event start time we can see here, it's not too late yet. So here's how you can do it. Like, you have to register first on Bybit by clicking this button here. I will also link this guide below in the description. And after that, it's very simple. You just can click on claim your rewards from the rewards hub. Like I will show you now. This looks like this inside the rewards hub. You can see it and claim it from there. Also, no identify verification or deposit requirements are necessary to claim your reward. So you can claim it through the rewards hub, or you can click this button here that says claim now, and a pop-up will appear like you can see here. And then you can click one of those two buttons and basically start using this coupon. So basically under my rewards here, you can see you have that one coupon left. You can use it by clicking use here, and then you can straight start with that coupon. Okay, that's basically how you claim it, and then you can use it under the my rewards section.